How to find a carb leak on a 2000 cbr600. I got it on with the choke. Carburetor cleaner. You want to spray the poop. Definitely a leak. Definitely have a leak in the boot. All four of them. Just carburetor cleaner. Looks like the boots are all leaking. And here where the carburetor is. Or the airbox. Just this one, the rest of them seem to be okay. But it's a big leak. So we're gonna put new boots on it. We're gonna figure something out, and I'm gonna do a video of it after. So right now, this is what it's doing. It's like fogging out on me. As you can see, I have to have it above 1 or like at 1500 in order for it to stay running. If it goes below that, it'll shut off or it'll bog out. Super poor throttle response. The carbs off, or the air box off, so I can see the carbs. Can move it fairly easy, which means they really are not connected good at all. Bike obviously won't start without the box because of the hoses that need to be covered off. But I'm gonna take it apart, try to fix it, and see where we go. Okay, so here's the carburetor. These are from the F4 stock engine, which are the ones that I need for it. These are the ones that I just took off that had the leak, and I'm guessing it's because of how big they are. You can see a dent in there because it's wider. So I grabbed clamps from the F4 and I put them on, eliminating the F4i ones, which are bigger, and this is what it fits in, like pretty proper, nice and tight. But try these out and see how that goes. Okay, so I tried to use rubber pieces from the F4i that I just took out, and I tried to make them tighter. Didn't work out. So what I ended up doing is I had two good ones from the F4, and so I bought a piece of hose and I cut out two perfectly even pieces that fit good, and I tightened them on the corners so it'll be easier to put in. Two middle ones are actual boots, two side ones are rubbers that I cut out, and we're gonna try this and see if this works. Okay, so I started it up. As you can see, I'm almost at one. Never been able to do that. Throttle response is back. Never been able to rev it up past 4 or 5. Let's see if I can see it on there. Great. Throttle response is a lot better for sure. Let's see if I can get it to stay at 1 without shutting off. There you go. Finally at 1. Sounds like it might be too low, it might shut off. Wow, look at that. Perfect. So if you got bad throttle response, check out your vacuum leaks. It might be that. It sure was with mine. Thanks for watching.